trying to get to you, baby.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Kaya for any of you that are new. In today's video, I'm going to be installing one of Hotbeautyhair's headband wigs today. Today's unit has some color in it and it is curly. So if you guys are interested in seeing how I install this unit and the styles that we'll be able to come up with, then continue to watch. Of course, before I jump into the video, make sure you subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell so you'll be notified each time I upload a video. And then I also want to do a unboxing, just showing you guys what comes in the package. And I am going to talk later on in the video, or maybe throughout it, I'm not really quite sure yet, but I do have a fan sitting right here, like to the side of me, because the air isn't on. So if you do happen to hear my fan, I have it on a low setting, but if you do happen to hear it, I apologize for it. I just need some air right now because I'm hot. I have a lot of lights on and that brings extra heat in here, so I just want to throw that out there if you do hear it. So we have a satin wrap cap, 2 sparkly headbands, and one of the oversized headbands, a bag of necessary head tools with a rat tail comb, bobby pins, and of course some clips, and then they also threw in a tweezer. And then here's the wig, you guys. It has some beautiful golden highlights in it. It's really pretty in person. It's really all the way through. The highlights are. They aren't necessarily just in one portion of the unit. So it has a really pretty color payoff throughout the whole entire unit. I like the curl pattern as well. It's very soft to the touch as well. So this unit looks like it's about to be really beautiful. I'm not really sure if I'm going to wet it yet or if I'm going to just comb it out and just see how it wears like that. But I don't think I want to wear it in like this natural texture right now. So we're going to see. Let's go ahead and get it installed, and then I'm going to try and do about 3 different hairstyles. Alright guys, so here is the ending of the looks that I'm going to create today with today's unit. I absolutely really like this unit. It's no different from the other Hotbeautyhair unit that I've tried previously, and I will link it right here, or either it's over here, one or the other. I'm going to link the other video that I did with this company before, because their headband wigs are like super duper great quality. Like the other one that I have is really nice. This one is as well. Like the color that they put in here, it just doesn't feel like processed hair whatsoever. It just has a really nice touch to it. The curl is super pretty as well. The color, like I said, it just flows very nicely through this unit. So, and on top of that, y'all, it's like it's a really good fit. I don't really know how to describe it very thoroughly, but it fits the head so well that it's really easy to get it up in a ponytail, because I've tried quite a few of these headband wigs here, and sometimes you do have like a slight struggle with it and keeping it down and getting it up into like a higher bun or higher ponytail. But this one just fit a little bit differently. Like it felt like it was like made perfectly directly for my head size and shape, because it literally went up into a ponytail with no hard work at all. I didn't have any slipping, no nothing. Like I just literally, like it felt like it was my hair growing out of my scalp, and I just pulled it up into a bun, put it in a ponytail, or or bun or whatever you choose to. Like this one isn't even like secure, which is why it's falling right now. Of course I can put like bobby pins or something to keep it in, but since I'm about to take it off, I'm not gonna even worry about that. But I just wanted to tell you guys, like, this unit, definitely one of my top favorites now to wear as a headband wig. So if you guys are interested in this unit, make sure you check out my description bar below, because I'll have a lot of information there for you, as well as a way for you to save some money on your purchase for this wig. I definitely think this is a headband wig to have in your collection, because it can be easy to wear every day, or you can wear it out, whichever one you prefer. It's just like a really cute dress up, dress down, or just throw on and be lazy girl type day unit. So thank you so much to Hotbeautyhair for providing today's unit. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I know, like, I feel like I've been doing headband wig galore, so I'm about to try to calm down on those type of units. But they're just very popular right now. They're what's in. I know there's like also like I know there's like a lace shortage going on, but I think it's also just really convenient anyways with quarantine, and people should still be in the house, but you know, people ain't really in the house like that anymore. People are out and about, but I felt like it was a really good concept, especially for us having to stay in the house so much and you still want your hair to look somewhat decent. That's why I feel like the headband wigs were really, it was a really good time for them to come out. So yeah, I'm not gonna keep babbling on, but I just really like talking to you guys. So just check out my description bar below. I'll have all the information there for you. Thanks y'all so much for watching, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.